As we all know, Christmas is around the corner. Everyone is busy preparing it to be the best one of their life. Christmas is the season of love, harmony, and spreading awareness. Christmas is celebrated every year on December 25th as it is considered to be the day on which Jesus Christ was born. The name of Christmas comes from the Mass of Jesus. Christmas celebration is a symbol of peace and love. It is celebrated around the world with joy and happiness. The significance of Christmas is known to everyone, and as we all know, it is celebrated as the day of birth of Jesus Christ. It symbolizes significance of life. He was born in a world that was full of hatred, anger, and hypocrisy. In spite of all these conditions, Jesus Christ was able to change people's heart and taught everyone how only love and gratitude can spread peace around the world. For unto us a child is born, to us a son is given, and government shall be upon his shoulders, and his name shall be called Wonderful Counselor, Mighty God, Everlasting Father, Prince of Peace. I want to conclude my short speech on Christmas by saying that it remains to be the most enjoyable holiday of the year. It is a time to be grateful for what you have. So, this Christmas, make sure to be grateful, spread happiness, and enjoy it to the fullest. Thank you and Merry Christmas to everyone. Praise the Lord. This is Angel Aradhya.